We are pleased to show you the 2026 Taos. The Volkswagen Taos is a leader in the subcompact SUV market with large cargo capacity, exceptional interior space, and a comfortable ride. Stylish, functional, and filled with technology make this a wise choice for anyone interested in a new SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.